Every time that I played this in a competition, I was scared of this moment. Because for intonation, it is murder. Right? And the next page, I was always very scared of memory. But the memory on the next page, on this page, intonation. It's super dangerous. And of course, it must be so light, like you are playing a very difficult thing, but it is not effortful. If you play, it doesn't matter if it's in tune, that's terrible. You know? So first you have piano, then you have pianissimo. You need to leave more soft dynamics in reserve. So this has to be, where you start here, has to be noticeably much softer than, but not minimum softness. Because 8 measures later, it has to be still more soft. And if you can have those notes jump out, even if you play a little bit slow, it sounds like you're playing fast because the effects are very angular. So where you have, if you really give a good attack, if you give a good attack to the notes with the accent, even if you play slower tempo, it will seem to the audience like you're playing fast tempo because it changes the picture a lot. Black, white, red, blue, yellow, you know, it changes very fast like that. If you play everything even like this, the notes may be going by very fast, but we just hear one line. We don't hear, we hear, it sounds like an upset stomach. So practice this for intonation. For evenness, practice separate what is legato, practice legato, what is written separate.